What's up, River Boys, and welcome back to my channel. And today it's nice and simple. We are cooking a good old classic English dish, a lovely doner kebab. It is Sunday. I haven't been posting for the last few days because on my last video I got really drunk and gave myself gout. So I haven't been. I've been bedridden for the last 3 days because I haven't been able to walk. So yeah, crack on and just get cracking. So we're just off to Milan's and I've got to do a bit of shopping, obviously, to make the doner kebab. And hopefully my uncle's not in because I don't really like his attitude lately. Not at all. Not at all. Amateur mistake. Going shopping on a Sunday. Oh, it's just a bunch of screaming little brats. Back in the day, mate, if I was screaming like that at the shop, mate, my mum would smack me in the head. Can't do that these days, do you know what I mean? Smack your kids and just get them to shut the fuck up, right? Serious to God, you're giving me a headache. Let's have a look what we got for shopping and then I'll make my lamb doner. I did forget to get the silver stuff. What's the silver stuff called? Tin foil. So this could go two ways, good or bad. But anyway, I got some 79p. That's a bargain. Like 79p, absolute bargain. I've got some long-lasting milk because if I have normal-lasting milk, it will be drunk within the space of 2 minutes. I literally drink water, beer, and milk. That's it. More milk, and we can stick that up because I like to recycle. We can use that as a bin. We've got wraps. We've got a sausage and bean thingy-me-bob bake. Only a quid. Alright, do it a quid, mate, for 2 of them. That's fucking well good. My usual eggs. We've got some chips for my doner kebab. Some baby wipes for my now cleared up piles. Like having a poo these days is quite pleasant to me, apart from the fact that I couldn't walk and I had to crawl just to take a dump, like for the past 3 days because I had gout. But yeah, apart from that, my piles are gone. Like taking a shit is quite a pleasant experience. And finally, lamb. Lamb, that is 250 grams of lamb. I thought it was good. Lamb is expensive. That was 4 quid. No wonder the price of my doner meat's gone up. Jesus Lord. Anyway, let's crack on and see what a mess we can make today. We are going to start by cutting up the meat. I don't know how well this is going to go because I've never played with a lamb before. I'm assuming it's just like normal mince, but apparently we've got to make it into like a dome, like a circle, not a circle, like a dome. So I'm just gonna we might as well put some flavouring in it. You've got to put some, oh look at that, it looks like a love heart. A little bit of salt. Woo. What else have we got here? Chicken seasoning. Stick a bit of that in there. So I mean, it can't make it any worse. Oh God, when was the last time you used that? A little bit of chicken seasoning. Grind it all up. Expert cooking here by Brax. And then we're going to roll it out nice and thin so it cooks nice and easy. This isn't going to be too bad. It's going to be like a normal doner, isn't it? And we need to get all the meat, all the seasonings in like one place. It's very sticky. Right, here you go. Right. Right, we're going to stick that in the oven for a good hour. We're gonna come back and check it in an hour. And then we're going to stick the chips in for half an hour. And then crack on. You can come back and see what I've created. While that's cooking, we are going to clean my fridge. It's getting a bit manky. I don't know if you can see it, like, look at that. It's getting a bit manky. So, we're going to clean my fridge while we're waiting on my lamb. Can we please take 30 seconds out of your day to mourn the toaster? When Idiot got back the other day from being drunk, I tried to make eggy bread in my toaster. I know. What kind of dumbass would put eggy bread in the toaster? Me. And it broke the toaster. So goodbye toaster. I'll get a new one on Friday. Just look how beautiful that looks. We are going to cut it, hopefully, into... Just take a look at that. I know it looks like a big turd, but I'm quite proud of this. Well, that's if it's cooked properly. You never know with me. Whoops. Okay, we've cut it in half. It's a good start. It's cooked. It's cooked. It's cooked. We haven't like done anything special here. We've just we've just made lamb, but yeah, man, that looks. We'll do a taste test in a minute once I've got the chips on the table. Yeah, that looks fine. That looks absolutely fine. Bosh, let's get the chips. I think we can say, we'll do the taste test in a minute, but considering I'm an idiot, this has gone quite well. So we'll do a taste test. We'll do it, well, everyone has had chips taste, do you know what I mean? Not even I can screw that up. So I'm just going to get a little bit of lamb. That's cooked. That's the one. That's a banging bit of... We did good. We did good. Anyway, if you did enjoy today's video, please leave a thumbs up. If you didn't, please leave a thumbs down. We will be back tomorrow. We have got an Amazon package. Yeah, we've got an Amazon package to unveil. I have had a sneaky peek. You won't be disappointed, trust me. You won't be disappointed. It involves me eating horrible foods. So, come back tomorrow and I'll see you later.